Good morning, everyone. It is August 6th. It's Friday morning, and we've got about 10 minutes before the 8:30 New York data releases. And while I'm waiting for the data releases, I thought I would do a little video on something that really is a pet peeve of mine. And I've had a number of requests that I do a video, so I thought this might be an important one because I know many or most of the traders who watch my videos are struggling, are still not able to consistently take money from the Forex market day after day or week after week or even month after month. And I believe that one of the biggest problems, one of the biggest killers for traders today is being taught to trade support and resistance. There's two things that most traders learn early on, candle patterns and support and resistance. And I think both of those are really dangerous because for day traders using smaller time frames, candle patterns fail all the time, and support and resistance levels, even off of the high time frames, fail all the time. Trading support and resistance is very tricky. If you are someone that has a mentor who trades support and resistance, those levels usually work best for the swing traders, people who trade and understand weekly, daily, 4-hour charts and are trading using very wide stops, 50, 80, 100 pips. That's why it works, because those support and resistance trades, when they work off of zones after there have been multiple attempts to test and retest reaction levels of price, and after there has been sufficient carnage of the retail traders, that's you, after your stops have been hit sufficiently, that price is now ready to collapse. So here's a chart that, in terms of support and resistance trading, would have been very attractive for a number of reasons. We have an easy to see historic support resistance levels where you have multiple touches of a line that would act as resistance. And when you look back, support, 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 support. So you look at a historic line like that and you draw it, and then you start thinking reversal. You're no longer thinking trend. And what we have here is a very aggressive trend to the long. But a reversal trader's not thinking that once they draw that line. They're thinking, ooh, I want to trade short. I want to get in early. This is about picking tops. This is about picking bottoms. And this is about blowing up accounts. So you look at a line like this, you see that we have a channel with an upper channel line that's hit in confluence with a very important moving average, the 50 simple, on a daily chart. And this is the kind of setup that looks very sweet to someone who trades reversal, someone who picks tops and bottoms. It's just not easy to trade these levels, even if they hold, because often there is an exhaustion process that looks like spikes on a lower time frame, and those spikes are the retail traders' stops getting hit. How does it look on a higher time frame on this daily? Well, as traders are hitting these levels and entering trades with stops above these levels, we'll see what happens. As this level was hit and the retail traders' stops were hit, we got a pop and price went through the level. And then we had another little prior swing here. There were some more retail trader stops there. Pop as it goes through that. Carnage, blown up accounts. I see a move like this and I wonder how many traders were killed on that move, because not only they lost once, but they revenge traded it multiple times. Key point I'm trying to make is trade the trend, trade momentum. That's the way that the great traders that you read about traded. They traded the trend. They weren't picking tops and bottoms. They were trading into established trends. Yes, there are ways to trade and support resistance. And if you have someone teaching you how to trade reversals, be sure that they are consistently profitable themselves. And what I mean by that is it's easy to show isolated trades. What you need to know is, does this person have a significant strategy and protection sufficient that they are pulling money out of the market, if not day after day, week after week? Are they consistently profitable? And can they verify that for you? And if they can't, then I would suggest find someone who understands trend, who understands momentum, and trade the way the great traders trade.